evening, folks. This is Matt's Views 929 here at and I got a little surprise for you. If you will kindly follow me.
Another good day at work. Alright, time to go home. Oh, that was a bumpy curve. Okay, hey guys. Nope, that's wrong. Oh my god. Oh. Boot her up again, I guess. I'll go to... Shut up!
I'm just so strong. That's the issue. I'm just so strong.
Hooked up right away. Hygiene's good. Food's good. Energy's good.
Almost there.
I'm ready for this, baby.
Ready?
I'm ready for the grind.
Ready?
Load her up. Get it going. What if I sign up for a ZooTube? I put my archives up there.
Boom!
And, make some more.
There he is.
Save stream.
Everyone,
It's better.
meet Billy.
Hey, what's up, guys?
He is on top of the new fridge. Right up there. Right between the Kellogg's Crave cereal, the Post cereal, and the Great Value instant rice. Man, boy, is he. Man, how's it going, Billy? I bet he's saying hi. So yeah, so I think it's a time for me to unplug. So thank you all so much for watching. Please do comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And until next time, have a wonderful day.